In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear. Click on this switcher next to Offer to save passwords if it's not already on. Log into any app and tap on Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your first password will appear here. Now to add any other one from those settings, use this plus next to Search Passwords. Click on Select App or input any website and enter all of those informations: username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!